So we're in Clovis, California. We're taking a look at a little project here in the upstairs master bath. They've had problems with water leaking, and they demoed this back, take a look and see what they could do. They don't want to go back to tile if they don't have to, or at least they want to make sure that everything is secure so no further water can escape. So we've proposed that we put a fiberglass pan in here. Floorstone, local manufacturer out in Madeira, can order their products through Ferguson. We found a 42-inch wide by 34-inch deep. It's slightly smaller footprint than this. You'll lose a couple inches, but it's full fiberglass. The only thing we'd say you'd have to do, potentially, the drain is not going to line up, which is fine. You cut the plywood, take the drain out, and the P-trap, put a new stub in, and then replace the plywood, and then set the pan and mortar. So that's certainly an option. Pricing can be found right through Ferguson. We're asking that you'll text us and remind us, what our potential solutions are for here. Like I said, we're recommending the floor stone. As far as the shower walls, the homeowner found some Kohler wall systems over at Home Depot. We're not familiar with them, so we'll try and educate ourselves rather quickly to see, how they're installed, what the best practices are. Also, see if we can find local contractors or contractors, anywhere really, that have documented their installations and some of the tips and tricks that they use, so that we can get a good installation here. We also need to locate someone that can actually install them locally. We've been informed that contractors don't want to come out and just do a little bit of work. They want to remodel your whole home, and so we need to find a contractor who's willing to put these in, find out how they're installed. If that's the best bet, we can contact our tile guy, our granite guy, and see what they think, if they've heard of it or installed these items before. Of course, tile guy is going to say go with back with tile. We're kind of expecting that, but we want to find out how to get this project done for the homeowner and see what's the best fit for them. So anyways, floor stone, 42 by 34, so 42 wide, 34 deep, dams integrated, and then the walls, we'll take a look at that a little later. Outside of that, this inspection is done.